Hey, welcome to GiveMeApps, your app mall, the #1 independent app store. Guys, today we're checking out Fry the Egg Physics Cooking Simulator by Jeremiah Cooper for Android. Guys, in this game, the objective is to fry the egg. Unlike in real life where you may inadvertently burn your house down, you're not going to have that problem here in the app. If you don't have cooking skills, hey, you can practice here before you start taking some big moves to cook or fry the egg in your own home in an actual pan. Guys, take a look at some of the rules here. It says fry the egg. Cook on both sides until white. Toss onto the plate sunny side up. So the objective is to cook the egg and then toss it onto the plate in that direction. If you look here in the box, the inset here, you can see a couple of red X's here telling you what not to do. And of course, you don't want it to be burned like that, of course. And you will get a check mark eventually. Let's take a look. There it is, sunny side up, white on both sides. Now, we have 5 eggs left here. We're going to try to do our best. Our scores were not great, but even though this game has a simple premise, it is quite challenging. Let's go, guys. We're going to crack the egg and go for the gold. Now, take a look at that smoke alarm there. You don't want that to go off. Oh, boy. So you got to make sure that when you toss it up, you don't have that much of a problem here. Okay, it's not quite white yet. And we want to make sure that it ends up on that side. Let's go, both sides. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Is it going to burn? We don't know yet. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can toss it onto the plate. Oh, man, we tossed it into the ceiling. What is wrong with us? All right, you can see there it says 4 burns, and we're going to retry this. We have 4 eggs left to crack. We need to do our best here. Mind you, what we tried to do this time was not allow the smoke alarm to go off. In previous attempts, that happened. So hopefully there is some success here. And if there is not a success in this video, then hopefully you can show us you having success with frying the egg. I promise you I can cook way better in real life. Here we go. Hold, 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 hold. All right, now we can flip. Okay, let's see what it says. All right, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No bueno, it is starting to burn. You see it says 6 burns. Oh man, and we tossed it to the side. Guys, the game is challenging. I kid you not, all right? And you can see that the smoke detector is going off in the background. Guys, we have 6 burns. I'm trying my best here to have some kind of success. We have 3 cracks of the egg to go, so let's pray for me that I make some moves here for success. It says hold, and we'll flip it up to the other side in a moment. Here we go. Let's try, too high. But that was a successful toss. It is getting white. Let's see what happens. We couldn't get it on the plate, and it was white. 7 burns you can see right there on the side. Guys, I have like 2 cracks left. Please, let's make some moves here towards success. We'll try it again. See, we have 2 cracks left before it's game over. Let's try our best, guys. Hold, hold, and toss. Can we get it around? Nope, not quite. It's still on the same side. No! Oh, man! What's going on? Oh, man. Look at that, guys. No success to speak of right there, all right? And that stove, that burner is white hot. And look at that. The smoke detector is going off. All right, we are almost 4 minutes into this. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a lot of fun. We have 1 crack left. Let's see what we can do here. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, guys, refill. Take a look here. All right. All right, that was a horrible toss. And it's getting close to getting white. Can we get it onto the plate? 8 burns, and it's not quite on the plate. So that's it. That's that, guys. It is white. We did get it on the plate, but I'm telling you, this game is not as easy as it looks. All right, let's see what happens with the refill. Now, by the way, we have our airplane mode on, so that's why we can't refill it. Guys, we enjoy this a lot. Even though we didn't have much success here, it is quite challenging, and the physics, great. Graphics, great. So simple, yet so entertaining. This is Fry the Egg by Jeremiah Cooper. We hope you enjoyed this. Do shout out the developer. Let them know how they're doing with the app. Give them some feedback. Leave some feedback on their profile. And of course, you can reach out to them by using the information in the description box below. This is the Give Me Apps YouTube channel. Give Me Apps is the world's #1 independent app store. Download apps for any platform, Android, iOS, even Windows Phone. If you're a developer, we're the only app store where you can keep the full 100% of your download sales. Guys, this was Fry the Egg by Jeremiah Cooper, a fun, entertaining game with such a simple premise. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did, guys. Till next time.